The New York State Smart Grid Consortium is a non-profit organization established to accelerate grid modernization throughout New York State and serves to provide a forum for member organizations to develop the policies and strategies needed to do so. The consortium brings together the world's leading utilities, technology providers, policymakers, and research institutions to identify opportunities that show the most promise for broader smart grid technology deployment.
Can you tell us about Smarter Grid Solutions' unique approach to managing New York's smart grid?
Our approach is based around technology that we call active network management. We're the only vendor, we're the pioneer of active network management, and that is a distributed control approach to managing the distribution system and distributed energy resources second by second. So we deploy our systems to the grid to act autonomously in a time-bounded manner to manage electricity flows, enable greater grid hosting capacity, and deliver resiliency objectives. Active network management is unique because it doesn't use an interconnected model of the distribution system to operate. It selectively monitors critical points on the distribution system and then closes the loop on real-time control. So we're really automating the control and management of distributed energy resources on a local basis.
How do your products benefit the energy industry and the grid?
Active network management can deliver increased hosting capacity of the distribution system. So we can actually create up to 3 times more capacity for distributed energy resources connecting at the grid edge. So one of the ways this benefits the energy industry is that it can reduce interconnection costs by up to 90%. We can create up to 200% more contributions from renewables. And what we're doing is we're taking the existing distribution network and making it more active. So this means that we reduce the cost of capital for reinforcement, and we enable more people to connect onto the system today at a cheaper cost.
What influenced you to join the New York State Smart Grid Consortium as the first associate member?
Well, when we first heard about the consortium, we were extremely interested in understanding its role in the state and being a recipient of some of the outputs. So we got in touch with the consortium when we first found out about it and were accessing the reports and meeting the people involved and using that as a way to learn more about the state and what's going on here. As we did that, we realized that there would be benefit to us as a business in terms of the visibility of our company, but also access to information and the opportunity to contribute. And we felt like, the opportunity to join the consortium was a great one for us because it would give us that platform and that access, and it would also allow us to work out how best to contribute to the work of the state.
To learn more about Smarter Grid Solutions and the New York State Smart Grid Consortium, please visit us on the web at nyssmartgrid.com.